In this video, I've listed the 7 best mats for jumping rope for you. Let's explore them. Number 1. Most popular. ZENY Health and Fitness Exercise Equipment Mat. This ZENY Health and Fitness Jump Rope Mat is the best at breathability. For its material, PVC foam can maximize the product's breathability. As general knowledge, to create the PVC foam, it is necessary to combine PVC, polyvinyl, and wooden powder. This combination plays a vital role in preventing water absorption and support for drying the product quickly. As a result, you will never worry about the sweat absorption causing a bad smell whenever using the mat. Moreover, this durability assessment is great because it is a heavy-duty material suitable for consecutive exercises like jump rope. Number 2. GXMMAT Large Exercise Mat. This GXMMAT jump rope mat reaches the top of the best mat and attracts many people worldwide. Let's check how it did. GXMMAT is brilliant as they use the high-dense memory foam material to make this mat. This material contributes to creating a feature of anti-deformation, which creates an excellent durability for jump roping consecutive activities. The combination between the groove and circle in the upper and bottom surface prevents the mat from sliding on the floor entirely. On the one hand, its cushion thickness is 7 mm. Number 3. ZENY Exercise Equipment Mat. Slipping is one of the issues that most jumper has faced. It is also a reason they look for this ZENY treadmill jump rope mat. The unique point helping them shines its special surface texture. This structure offers the rough feeling with a difference of groove density to lower the direct interactive area between your instep and the mat. Therefore, when your foot touches the mat after a jump, you can get the best friction preventing slipping effect. Not only does it prevent sliding, Number 4. HemingWeigh 1-inch thick rope mat. The HemingWeigh extra thick foam mat is not only perfect for your jumping rope exercises, but also for your other workout activities such as yoga, ab workouts, stretching, mobility work, and meditation. Its double-sided, non-slip surface will keep you balanced and will surely keep you safe throughout your workout exercise. This exercise mat is portable and can be brought anywhere you go, especially for people who like to travel but do not want to miss one of their daily exercise routines. Number 5. SuperMats Heavy Duty Equipment Mat. The SuperMats Heavy Duty Equipment Mat 13GS is a multi-purpose mat that can be used for any workout exercises such as jumping rope, yoga, or ab workout. You can also use it to hold indoor cycles, steppers, or steady bikes. If you are looking for a heavy-duty mat that you can use not only for your jumping rope exercises but for other intense training activities, this is the perfect mat for you. The mat's cushion also helps prevent floor and carpet dust from entering your equipment's mechanical parts. Number 6. Stamina Fold-to-Fit Folding Equipment Mat. One of the best mats for jumping rope, the Stamina Fold-to-Fit Folding Equipment Mat is a high-quality mat with a closed-cell foam material that is soft yet sturdy enough to absorb impact and carpet fibers from getting into the moving parts of your equipment. This mat is not only ideal for jumping rope and stretching exercises, but can also be used for steady bikes, weight benchers, trampolines, and other workout equipment. It also has a non-slip pebble surface that can be easily cleaned and protect you during your exercise. Number 7. SuperMats Heavy Duty Equipment Mat 30GS. The SuperMats Heavy Duty Equipment Mat 30GS can hold indoor cycles, steppers, or steady bikes. Its large size allows it to fit multiple exercise units such as treadmills, ellipticals, recumbent bikes, and cross-country trainers. You can also use it for other exercises and activities that require a lot of space for you, like jumping rope. This mat is water repellent, it does not absorb sweat, and can easily be wiped away or cleaned. It also has a protective floor mat that is super tough and durable, which helps protect carpets from damage. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.